Okay, so I guess this is gonna kind of be my first post. Um, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make little posts like this, and in between those, I'm going to give you a little bit about me and how I got here. Uh, Let me first of all tell you that I'm not a perfect person. I am a horrible person. As a matter of fact, I've told everybody that. Um, but there's nothing I can do to help myself. I'm always going to be this person. Uh, but I'm a bad person. Let me say that first and foremost. Um, but this is going to be my first post. And what we're going to do first is we're going to introduce you to the instance. The instance is talked about in many religions. In many religious texts, it's referred to but never named. Uh, this is what it is. Of course, you have a little diagram. Okay. This, uh, this right here, the first circle would represent eternity. There's no beginning, there's no ending. This symbol appears a lot in religious art, uh, in Egyptian hieroglyphics, and all this other stuff. Um, and its meaning is always the same. This is eternity. Now, there is infinity. Now, infinity uh, is like the figure eight circle, the figure eight symbol. It's two circles joined in the middle. Now, what you do is um, this is time. The infinity symbol is time. There is a there is a past eternity and there is a future eternity. Like my dad said, I'll never forget what he said. There is no future, there is no past. Today is still today. It's always been today. It will always be today. It's always today. You have to rise above the illusion of the sun and the moon going up and over the sky. You have to logically realize, as a human being, that is the Earth's rotation, the going around the galaxy, the solar system, the universe. It's rotation. It's not time. uh, if there were such a thing as time, it would be such a huge cosmic thing that you would never have to pay any mind to it whatsoever. But there is no time. There is past eternity and future eternity. You're always going in the direction of eternity. Uh, so you have the eternity is the round symbol, but there was an instant, a moment in time, just like the blink of an eye, just an instant. Um, in the blink of an eye, in this instance, that's the middle of the infinity symbol, or like the figure eight. You see the figure eight all over the place. What you don't realize is that you take the past and the future and you pull them apart, and there's time. In the middle of the infinity symbol, there's time. The past eternity, future eternity. This is time right here. It's in the middle of the infinity symbol. On one end you have um, the past eternity, and on one end you have the future eternity. You are always right now. You will always be in eternity. You are in eternity right now. But this time will end, and pray it be soon. But that's the time is an illusion. Right now, what we're all living is happening in the blink of an eye. Everything around you is happening in an instant. since the beginning of time, since before the beginning of creation, until the end of time, until the end of creation. That's it's just one little instance. It comes and goes like that. In the blink of an eye. All this is happening in the blink of an eye. So that's the instance. The instance is the blink of an eye. All of this in the blink of an eye. We are living in the instance. Uh, Everything history is unfolding in the instance. Um, and there's a lot that contributes to that argument. Um, Everything from nothing around you is real. Everything's made of energy and vibration because that's how atoms are made of. To religious argument, uh, and Paul saying that life is like a vapor. It's here and then it's gone. We're living in the instant. Um, every life has to be experienced. Every experience has to be had. Uh, Everything has to come to a complete point. Um, no, whether or not it's stuff that happens in real life or if it's stuff that happens on TV and in movies, it all happens. Um, if it happens in your mind and your heart, it happens. Because, like I said, all of this is happening in the blink of an eye. So meditate on that. I hope you enjoy, or at least get a laugh out of the first post. The next time we meet, we'll be introduced uh, to the next step of this thought in its evolution. Until we meet again, may you live in peace, and may we live, may we laugh, may we love. I hope to find you again in good health.